So I'm just going to show you how I attach one of these to the ends of a bag strap. So I'm just using this little scrap of fabric to replicate the bag strap. So 4 inches wide because I want it to be an inch. So just fold each edge into the centre and then fold in half again. So that'll create a 1 inch strap. Now, I always use just a little bit of glue just along the edge, just to help give it a little bit extra security inside of the hardware, and simply push it into the bag strap. This bag strap's actually one that's faulted, so it hasn't made it through my quality check, so that's why I'm just using it in the video, because it doesn't matter that it'll get wasted basically. So that's the strap into the strap end. So these are the little screws that will go in, and you just need to pop them in. And then this screw driver is it's just out of like a little glasses set. I think I got mine in Wilkinson's. It wasn't very expensive. And you just need to basically line up the screws so that it's nice and straight, and it should just screw in straight, no problem. If you have a little bit of a funny angle when you're screwing in, it won't, as you can see there, it just won't screw in properly. So what I do is I screw back over, and it tends to straighten up, and then just screw it the right way around, and that will sit nice and flush. Now that will be really secure. That strap end isn't going to be going anywhere, and it's just a really nice way to finish off the edge of your straps, especially if you're using vinyl and your material, your machine will struggle to sew through a fair few layers of vinyl. That's a really nice way to finish off the straps. So I hope that was helpful.